Once upon a time, in a small village nestled amidst rolling hills and lush green meadows, there lived two brothers named Sam and Ben. They were as different as night and day, but shared an unbreakable bond that nothing could tarnish. Sam, the older brother, was a diligent and hard-working farmer. From dawn to dusk, he toiled in the fields, tending to crops and caring for the animals with unwavering dedication. He possessed a keen understanding of the land and possessed a green thumb that seemed to transform every seed into a bountiful harvest. His hands were rough and calloused, a testament to his tireless work. On the other hand, Ben, the younger brother, was a dreamer and an artist at heart. While Sam labored in the fields, Ben would wander through the village, sketching the beauty of Na on worn-out canvases with his paintbrushes. His paintings told stories of sunsets and blooming flowers, capturing the essence of their quaint village. Despite his artistic inclination, he possessed a gentle spirit and was always willing to lend a hand to anyone in need. The brothers' differences often led to playful arguments, but deep down, they admired and respected each other as unique qualities. Sam would marvel at Ben's creativity on worn-out canvases with his paintbrushes. His paintings told stories of sunsets and blooming flowers, capturing the essence of their quaint village. Despite his artistic inclination, he possessed a gentle spirit and was always willing to lend a hand to anyone in need. The brothers' differences often led to playful arguments, but deep down, they admired and respected each other as unique qualities. Sam would marvel at Ben's creativity, while Ben admired Sam's unwavering work ethic. They were two halves of a whole, complementing and completing each other in ways no one else could understand. One day, disaster struck the village. A severe drought gripped the land, turning the once vibrant fields into parched wastelands. The villagers were devastated, and their livelihoods were in jeopardy. Sam's crops withered, and the animals suffered from thirst and hunger. The village was in desperate need of water. In the face of adversity, the brothers rallied together, putting their individual talents to use. Sam, with his unwavering determination, devised a plan to dig a deep well near the village to tap into an underground water source. With the help of fellow villagers, they worked tirelessly day and night, digging and digging until finally, they struck water. Joy erupted among the villagers as the life-giving water began to flow. Meanwhile, Ben took it upon himself to uplift the villagers' spirits. He painted vibrant murals on the village walls, depicting scenes of abundance, hope, and resilience. His artwork infused the village with renewed vigor, reminding everyone of the beauty that lay beyond the drought-stricken fields. Months passed, and the village slowly recovered from the drought's devastation. Sam's fields flourished once again, yielding abundant crops, while Ben's murals became a symbol of the village's triumph over adversity. The brothers had played their respective roles in rejuvenating their beloved ville.